How we doing, gardeners? And this is American Cuban Gardener. If you're new to the channel, thank you for stopping by. If you're a subscriber, thank you for your support. Please like and subscribe and share my videos so my channel can grow. But today we're talking about air layering, and I'm gonna show you the results of the air layering that I did last year, and you guys gonna see how easy it is to propagate your trees. You save money, and it's easy at 1, 2, 3. Check it out. How we doing, gardeners? And last year in September, I did these 2 air layers. This is a Laura Caimito, and I just wanted you to guys to see, look at the roots. How nice do they both look? They're rooted very nicely. And if you don't know how to air layer a tree, I have a video that I did last year when I did this that you guys can see. I'm gonna link it to this video. But when you have this and you already see this root ball this nice, you wanna come and take care of it. And it's not really that complicated, but try to get everything that you need to have before you cut, so that way that root doesn't suffer no stress. I got the 2 containers that I'm gonna be using. I got the dirt that I'm gonna be using, or the soil, and then I have the water ready to go. And basically, I'm gonna put my cutters in the pocket, and I'm gonna put a little bit of soil. And I'm using a 3 gallons because I want to keep it very moist for a little bit, because you want that root to develop a little bit more. And if you and you see it looks like almost half of the container, but it's not that much. And then literally you just come here and get a better cutter than this one. Dang it. There we go. These ones are Felco, guys. But you see it's pretty big, so you don't want to keep it like this. And even though all the leaves are at the end, I'm gonna probably has to be a little aggressive and maybe leave some here and there, but mostly I'm gonna have to cut them because that small root doesn't have the strength to support all these branches. And I'm probably gonna have to come back and do this. Basically, like I wanna leave enough. And don't worry about it, because you see we got like 1. I can probably live without this one. 1, 2. This is not. So you wanna make it look nice, but at the same time, you don't wanna leave so many that the tree is gonna stress out and it's not gonna have enough energy. You know, it's just not enough root ball to support all those branches. And this one, the kind of like the aluminum foil came out in a wind that it was like a few days ago. And it's kind of like a little dry. And that's something that you don't really want though, because now it has to be like, and this is the part that you really has to be careful, because this is where you can damage the roots, because it's a little bit, it's not really as much as a regular tree that you just buy at a nursery. It's kind of like different. This is really in there. Now the most important thing when you take all this and you plant it, and you see I'm being extra careful, because the last thing that I want is any of that root. And here we go. But as you can see, it is a nice root ball in less than a year. And I did a little bit on the season. And if you want, just come and cut a little bit more. Telling you guys, I choose the wrong pruners for this job. And you see that I put enough in the bottom, and then we're just gonna backfill. And these three, the most important thing that you need to do now is keep it really, really hydrated. And for a little bit, keep it on the shade, because it's not used to, you know, the soil and all that stuff. So even though it has a nice root system, you don't want to give it no stress. Today, I probably just gonna leave it here. It's about to rain, so it's not really a big deal. But tomorrow I will put it in the other side where I have a shade cloth. Right now I'm letting the water run because it's so hot. There we go. So basically the most important thing you want to do now is keep it very hydrated. And you want to make sure whatever soil that you use is not too loose, but it does drain fast. You don't want any fruit trees in container with a soil that retains so much water, because you'll get root rot. But this is how it is. It's not that complicated. If I would have got better pruners, it would be faster. I got like 7, but you know how that goes. At the time that you need to do, you find the ones that works the worst. This ones are better for like tomatoes and that kind of stuff. But this is it. I might cut it a little bit more just because it has a lot of branch. Not complicated. Right now you don't put no fertilizer, you don't, none of that, because all you want is the root ball to start searching for nutrients. In this soil, I have it amended. I made my own soil for different things, and especially for fruit trees. I do a mix. I have a video on that too that I can probably link to this video. But very easy, guys. If you want to make more trees, this is the easy way to go, in my personal opinion. The only one that is a little more challenging will be mangoes. But this is a caimito or star fruit. And you see I got a couple more in that one that I has to do. I got one in the lychee, my Barbados cherries. You can air layer almost anything that you want, and you'll get the exactly same tree. And the good thing about this is that this tree can produce in like couple years. It's even faster than grafting, because when you graft, you have to wait for that grass to take and that develops, so it takes a longer time. Air layering, couple years, boom, you're ready to go. As always, thank you so much for watching. I see you guys in the next video. Please like and subscribe. Bye now.